I work at the interface between AI and precision oncology, and my lab applies machine learning and AI and deep learning techniques in order to find ways to find the best treatments for cancer patients. And we spent more than a decade of work on developing such methods from molecular omics data of the tumors. But in the last 2-3 years, other labs, including ourselves, have discovered that actually we can take the good old 100 years tumor pathology, histopathology slides, and using machine learning techniques, learn how to infer the molecular omics data of the tumors directly from the pathology slides without actually sequencing. And we can't do it for all the alterations, but for many alterations that are critical in understanding cancer and in guiding treatments, we can do it. And that is exciting and revolutionary because it offers new ways to do fast, cost-effective precision oncology with the hope of democratizing precision oncology. So that's the thing that excites me most now.